Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Eyezy mobile app is, how it works, and whether it's a reliable option for monitoring digital activity on smartphones and tablets. The Eyezy app is available on iOS and Android and is designed primarily for parental monitoring. It allows users to track calls, messages, social media activity, location, and browsing history on monitored devices. The app provides real-time alerts and detailed reports to help parents ensure their children's online safety and detect potential risks. Users appreciate the comprehensive monitoring features and the ability to customize alerts for specific activities. The app offers stealth mode to operate discreetly on the target device, and its dashboard consolidates all monitored data for easy review. Subscription plans vary based on the number of devices and monitoring features included. However, some users report challenges with installation, occasional syncing delays, and limitations depending on the target device's operating system. Customer support response times and effectiveness may also vary. Privacy concerns and legal considerations should be taken seriously before using the app. Overall, Eyezy offers powerful tools for digital monitoring, but potential users should be aware of technical limitations and ethical responsibilities. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.